Konnichiwa minasan. Welcome to our Japanese language lesson. Today we will learn essential Japanese phrases for travel and everyday conversation. To say hello in Japanese, it's Konnichiwa. Good morning, it is Ohayo gozaimasu. Good evening, it is Konbanwa. Thank you, arigato gozaimasu. If you want to say someone, see you later, then you can say mata ne. When you need to say excuse me, just say Sumimasen. To say sorry in Japanese, it is Gomen nasai. If you want to say someone I don't understand, then you can say Wakarimasen. To say no thank you, it is Kekkou Desu. If you want to ask someone like how are you, then you can say Genki desu. I am fine. In Japanese, it is Genki desu. Hajimemashite translate to nice to meet you. Used when meeting someone for the first time. If you want to ask someone in Japan like do you speak English, then you can say Eigo ga hanasemasu ka. To introduce yourself in Japan, then you can say Watashi no namae wa, your name, and this. For example, my name is Pihu. Then I can say Watashi wa Pihu desu. When you go to the shopping and you want to know how to ask like how much is this, it's kore wa ikura desu ka. If you want to ask someone like what is this, kore wa nan desu ka. If you want to say I would like, then you can say o kudasai. As an example sentence, like I would like coffee, then you can say kohi o kudasai. If you want to say I would like coffee and tea, then you can say kohi to ocha o kudasai. Like if you add any object. If you want to ask someone like do you have an English menu, then you can say Eigo no menu wa arimasu ka. If you want to say can I have bill please, then you can say o kaikei onegaishimasu. To say cheers in Japanese it's Kanpai. To say someone like can you translate this, then you can say Yakushite Kudasai. If you want to ask someone like where is the toilet, then you can say toire wa doko desu ka. If you want to ask someone do you accept credit card, then you can say Kurijetto kado wa sukaemasu ka. To say help in Japanese it's Tasukete. If you want to say this is delicious, then you can say Oishii desu. Before eating, you can say itadakimasu. The meaning in thank you for the meal. After eating, you can say gochi susuma desita. It means thank you for the meal. And finally, yes is hi and no is ie. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. And also turn on the notification bell to never miss an update.